credit is, right? The best advice I can give you when it comes to looking for a vehicle and the car that you want, and maybe you got bad credit, I like to say boost credit, or maybe you have good credit, doesn't matter. I'm talking to everybody that's looking to buy or lease a vehicle. Well, I'm talking to really the people that want to purchase a vehicle. But you want an example. You want to buy a $30,000 car. You already see this $30,000 car you want, or maybe it's $25,000. What you need to do is go to a loan calculator, right? Loancalculator.com, right? Or Google the loan calculator and put the amount in that you want to finance. Also, put the interest rate in that you think that you're going to qualify for. You know if you have boost credit, you're going to qualify for 22%, 23, 24, 25. And if you live in another state, in Michigan, the highest we can go a loan for a vehicle is 25%. So it doesn't matter what state whatever state you live in, your interest rate might be higher than 25%. But anyway, you plug that interest rate in that you think you're going to qualify for, right? Or you call a credit union and say, you know, what the interest ain't going because of with my credit score. You know how your credit is, right? Anyway, put that loan amount in, you put the interest rate in you think you're going to qualify for, and then you calculate what your monthly payment would be. And then you'll talk yourself into getting that vehicle, or talk yourself into getting a vehicle that's less than $30,000, or maybe less than $25,000 because of your interest rate. So if you do that, you already know what you're facing when you get to the dealership. Now, if you know you got boost credit and you're saying, Regina, you know what? I've never paid anybody. I just filed bankruptcy. And after my bankruptcy was discharged, I had to repo 6 months later after my bankruptcy because things happened. I had a job, I lost my job, and now I know my interest rate's going to be high. That's okay. But you still want to know what you're going to be faced with when you go into the dealership. Go to that loan calculator and put that 18%, that 20% interest rate in. Or if you got great credit, you know what you do? Put that 5% in that you say you're going to qualify for, or that 6%. You'll know what your monthly payment is going to be. That's the best advice I can give you. You know, when you watch this video, follow me. Follow me. Give me some comments in the bottom of my video, because you know what? I just share so much with you. It doesn't matter if you got good credit, bad credit, no credit, whether you file bankruptcy. You want to know where you're going to be at. You don't want to get where, you know what, I didn't know that. Well, yes, you did, because you know you have problems paying your bills, or your interest rate's going to be high. You know that, right? So go to that loan calculator. Put in what car that you want to get. Either talk yourself into that car, or talk yourself down to a less expensive car, or you'll know ideal what your payment's going to be. Okay? All right. See you in the next video.